Okay guys, matingala ka mo. Magnum 777 charing. Video ko dali lang nag-order si Anson pagkaon to. Golden Chicks haling kami sa akong schedule sang retina. So diba my surgery, my cataract surgery was March 26, 2025. The right eye, the left eye last April 23, 2025, and until now I don't have prescription. Diri sa Amerika, hindi sila dali-dali maghatag. Once na may nakita sila, churot-churot, may mga diamonds ka sa mata mo, peace. Gina-cleared gina nila. So I had my appointment with my retina doctor, and they found that there is little, gamay lang siya kaayong what you call this, retina bleeding because of my diabetes for 15 years. So before ko i-laser, gin-injectionan anay right to the eyes, and I have my injection here, ginsudlan ko dye para makita nila sa loob gid sa kakon nga retina. So Dr. Adams injected to stop that bleeding in my retina so that he can perform after 2 scheduled injections. The second injections will be on September 11, and after that didto niya na i-perform ang laser to my both eyes. After the laser, that will be the final if I still need prescription eyeglasses. Diba ganyan sila dito? Kaya hindi kami makakauwi sa Philippines this 2025 and 2026 because Anson has a lot of schedule, and me also has a lot of schedule coming for the whole year of 2025 and the whole year of 2026, because the 2024 I've been here. Amo pa lang na pagsulod ko sa Amerika. So Anson niya it's okay, nag-cope up lang siya. Ako ya kay 2024 kaya nagsulod. So schedule ko hindi pwede maano, kay most of my schedule are surgery, especially my eyes. Wala naman major surgery, salamat sa kay Lord, diba? Ang pinaka-importante, ma-normalize ang pagkakita ko sang mata ko. Okay? Already may ano ko, butangan ko ay dye para sa akong retina. Okay? Thank you guys.